Most photographers get this wrong. They think building a professional website requires hiring a designer or learning complicated coding. The surprising truth is, with Wix, you can create a stunning, fully functional website for your photography business in just a few hours. Today, they'll walk you step by step through the process. First, sign up for a Wix account. Once logged in, you'll see two main options. Use the Wix ADI, which automatically builds a site for you based on your answers, or Wix Editor, which gives you full design control. For photographers, I recommend Wix Editor. It allows you to create galleries, showcase portfolios, and customize layouts to highlight your work beautifully. Next, choose a template. Wix has dozens of photography-specific templates that are optimized for showcasing images. Pick one that fits your style, whether it's minimalist, modern, or artistic. You can preview templates before selecting to make sure it matches your vision. Once your template is chosen, start adding your content. Create a gallery page to display your best work, a services page outlining packages, and an about page to share your story. Wix allows drag and drop editing, so you can easily rearrange images, add text, or change fonts. A tip most people overlook: use high-quality images, but compress them to maintain fast loading times. Slow websites can turn visitors away. Don't forget to set up a contact form and integrate booking options if you offer sessions. Wix supports integrations with Calendly and Wix Bookings, which makes it simple for clients to schedule appointments directly from your site. SEO is critical for photographers looking to attract clients. Wix includes built-in SEO tools where you can edit meta titles, descriptions, and alt text for images. This helps your website rank higher in Google searches for local photography services. Finally, connect a custom domain to make your website look professional. Wix offers domain registration or allows you to connect an existing one. Once published, your site is live and ready to impress clients. In conclusion, Wix empowers photographers to create beautiful, functional websites without coding. By using templates, galleries, booking integrations, and SEO tools, you can launch a professional online presence quickly and efficiently. Subscribe for more tips on building photography websites, attracting clients, and growing your creative business.